excited when we moved there?
Yes.
That's our Farah. She's a strict person. Okay, can everyone see her? We're going to get out of your way and sit here. So this is a conversation with the lovely Farah Khan. And we thought we'd start with asking you, since Farah Ki Dawat is the new thing we see you on, Farah.
Yes.
Give us the truth. You did the show because you like to eat or because you like to cook?
Well, as you can see by my figure, I like to eat. I really love food. I think all of us, people who don't love food, I don't like them.
Incidentally, today happens to be International No Diet Day. Whatever you eat,
Eat all the lunch.
yeah, whatever you eat is going to go to your soul, not to your bum.
I'm going to start with a small complaint. You complimented the ladies, and yes, I agree with you. They're looking spectacular. I'm standing far 3 feet away from you. Nothing about my, dashing good looks, the way I'm dressed.
Jagu, you speak really well.
Thank you. You know,
You have a really good voice.
an unnamed person who might or might not be sitting to my right, I asked her, how am I looking? And she said, slightly Shikari
I said
Shambhu.
Shikari Shambhu. He needed a hat.
No, you speak very well.
Thank you, darling. Much appreciated. Listen, Farah Ki Dawat, I want to explore that a little more. You had a bunch of people on, each and every one of them we recognized. Who's been the best cook of the lot, and which one of them has been waterborne?
Well, I don't know how many of y'all are watching my cooking show, but apparently the men are all watching it. Are y'all not?
Show of hands. Show of hands. Do you watch the show? You can. I love how truthful they are. They are not
Only
watching.
two
They're not
men
watching
are
our
watching
hands.
it. Y'all need to make your husbands watch it and make them cook for you. I think the best cook has been Abhishek Bachchan, and his Masi is here right now, so I have to be nice to him. But he cooked really well, and he cooked very professionally, and a lot of people copied what he made on the show, and it was extremely delicious and very healthy.
And can you cook?
I cook very well.
Really? You had time to cook?
I used to cook a lot. Now, of course, I don't get that much time to cook, but Farah Ki Dawat was a good way of getting back in the kitchen, and every day I had to cook a dish.
Sure.
So that was good.
You know, there's Farah Ki Dawat, which is in a long line of television shows, reality shows that you've done. You've been doing this for about 10 years now, television per se. On reality show, you're judging a bunch of auditions, aside from the cooking. What do you do when someone's really bad? You can see it right from the beginning, whether singing, dancing, acting. What are you going to do? Because you're right there on camera.
Yeah, I think when you see my face like this, I think they understand that they're really bad. But I think what I do is I'm really honest,
Fair enough.
without being rude, and without, because sometimes their parents are in the audience. And as a mother, I don't think I would want my child to be criticized in front of me. So there is a way of telling people that maybe this is not for you. Maybe you should just sing in the bathroom. And not because generally people think they sing and dance better than they actually do.
Fair enough.
A lot of people do think that. So you have to tell them that don't waste your life running behind something in which you will not be achieving much.
Sure.
Because I think that's a good way of telling them instead of saying, oh, go on trying harder and you'll do well, and they spend another 5 years wasting their life doing something where they're not going to be number one.
So you brought up mothers and motherhood. Are 3 children 3 times the fun or 3 times the trouble?
What do you all think? I think 3 children are 3 times not only fun, but 3 times the love, 3 times everything, 3 times the hugs. When I sleep, I have one child sleeping on my tummy, there may be a big bed in my house, big sofa, big couch. My son will find the softest place to sleep in, which is my tummy. So I always said, made so many sofa, the couch is here. He said, but I like your tummy. Mama, don't reduce your tummy. So now you know why I'm not losing weight.
That's your excuse.
My son, yes.
My son likes me fat.
And then my son's idea of a compliment is telling me, Mama, you're not as big as an elephant. So I was like, what did you say? I'm saying you're not as big as an elephant.
He's 7 years old. In time,
Yes.
he will learn. He will learn very quickly.
So yeah, he's learned very quickly because that day I almost sat on him. I went to hug him and he said, oh God. And I looked at him and I said, what? Oh God, thank you. such a nice mother.